Hey guys, Marty Boots here. Today I want to make this video and I want to show you how it is very possible that the cryptocurrency market could fall off a huge cliff and almost crash and burn. So, okay, I know that sounds unbelievable and I'm hyping this up or whatever, but no, I'll show you now. We'll get into it here and you'll be quite surprised. Anyway, okay guys, before I get into it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and click that bell. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and we're just trying to grow the channel a bit, so thanks for that. If you have any comments or coins you'd like me to review or do some TA on, just put them in the comments below. Thanks. Okay, so we'll get into it here. You can see Bitcoin here. Obviously, we've had that huge move up. A couple of things. Okay, we've actually created a lower high, sorry. Yeah, here and here. Okay, in a large bull market, of course. Now we've obviously had crazy returns. If I take that from down here, I'll even do it from about 150. You know, right up there was 126,000%. Did I read that right? And even right to here, it is 5,000%. So it's up 5,000% in the last 10 years. Okay, I mean, that is something out of the ordinary, but it seems a bit normal by now. But now we have broke down and we have rolled over here and we've broke down below all these moving averages. And I am bearish. Now I do think there can be some small bounce here, and like, can we work our way out to turn bullish again? I'm not ruling it out. It's possible, but there's more probability that we break down. So that's about it here on the Bitcoin chart, guys. First off, I've got the other charts are the important charts. You can see here we're forming this bearish flag. If we break this, guys, the next line of support is probably, I mean, there is support in here, of course, at the 6,500 level, roughly in around this level. And then we break that, then we're coming down to here. So, it's not looking very strong at the moment. But what I want to show you guys is very important. And I want to credit that. Well, this video is based around this, but I found something else. The next chart is going to blow your mind. This was found by one of our members, George. He alerted us to this in the group in our live trading room, and this is pretty interesting, pretty important. It's a pity we didn't notice this at that moment in time when we were at 14,000. It would have been very nice to have this back then, but regardless, it's okay. It's good to have it now. The next two charts are quite remarkable, but you can see that from this chart, we have had this huge bull market. This is Bitcoin. Sorry, this is a BLX index in on a weekly chart in log view. So, like, you can just see this trend line and this trend line. We broke that trend line, and what happens when you break that trend line? You get like a serious crashes. We all know what that crash was like. It was a 50% crash. I'll even take it from the trend line to see it was only probably 45% crash once the trend line broke. Okay, we came back, we retested it, and now we're rolling over. Now I'm not that worried about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it's still in its uptrend. It's still going good. I'm not as worried about Bitcoin. You can see here we're above the 200 weekly moving averages. So there's no, even if Bitcoin does come down here, we're still going to have this 200 moving average moving higher, and we can bounce off that and maybe start making different highs, new highs. What I want to show you here, guys, is this first chart. Okay, this is not the chart I'm getting at, but I want to show you here again what happened when this trend line broke. Okay, this is log view. I want to show you what happened when this trend line broke, and then we'll get to the finale, the big finale. Look at this. Touches right all the way through here, the whole way up there, from that bottom at 6,000. or 3,000 in Bitcoin, sorry, you can see the crypto market recovered a bit, and now we're starting to roll over, and we're breaking this 200 moving average, and moving average is above price, pushing price down. So this is not necessarily strong, guys. It's trying to recover. So we'll see if it can recover or not. Like, this was not strong down here, but as you can see, it grinded higher, grinded, and it tried to recover. But what happened once the breakdown happened? Okay, so we broke down from that trend line, and maybe I haven't drawn that trend line yet, but again, it's a 42% crash. I could probably move that a little bit up higher, and you know, you're still talking 45%. So that's both times we broke the trend line, there was a 45% crash. Okay, here we go, guys. Here's the next chart I'm going to show you. The total crypto market cap. Look at this. Look at this. This is a stunning chart, guys. Look at this. Look at this touch the whole way up back in 2015, 16, 2016, 2017. Then we get into this after the crash, the financial crisis. Then we get to this. And look what's happening right now, guys. Look what's happening right now. We're forming a huge bear flag. All moving averages above price look to be pushing over and trying to break this multi-year trend line. This is the most important trend line in the crypto market's history. It is. There's no question about it. I mean, people might have thought about the descending triangle. You know, some people say this was the most important, you know, this pattern, but this, guys, is the most important pattern in the cryptocurrency market history, in my opinion. And we are teetering on the edge of a huge cliff, guys. I don't know how, you know, or what would happen, you know, if we break these. You know, sometimes you can get drastic declines. I mean, I don't know how low this can go. You know, I really don't. The only thing we have reference to is what I put back back on the last two charts. Both the last two charts dropped by 45%, 42 to 45%. As you can see here, this dropped, you know, 40 whatever, 45% we'll call it, and down here this was 45% as well. I can put it on there just to remind you. Look, both are 45%. Now the cryptocurrency market here right now, the total crypto cap is teetering on this cliff. This is a cliffhanger, guys. This is monstrous. This is really important in my view. Now let me just try. I'm trying to show you something here. We've never had this. This is a daily chart, guys. This is a daily chart, so the daily moving averages are pushing over. Let me just show you on a weekly chart what it actually looks like. So look at this again. This is telling us here on a weekly chart that we can break down below the 200 weekly moving average. What happened on the total crypto market cap too? We done the exact same thing. This almost looks like it's leading the market. We broke down. Look, we broke down below the 200 here, and then again we broke down below the 200 here. What is this doing? We broke down below the 200 here, and again it's telling us now that it wants to break down from this pattern below the 200. And then let me just delete this, and I think see what happened here was, well, we came down, and then we came back up and retested the trend line. See the way we broke down after 200, came back up and retested the trend line after the breakdown. So we're breaking down here, and this is sort of telling us, well, I don't know, in theory, maybe can that bounce up and test it? I don't know. So also in theory here, this wants to break down, and then maybe we get that retest. You know, this is a weekly chart, guys. So who knows how long that takes. But if this breaks, guys, the last two times these trend lines have broke, we had a 45% decline in the total crap, total crypto crap. Yeah, it is a bit of that right now, actually. Uh, the uh, total market cap, the total market cap one. There is two of them. This is the more the altcoins. There is three of them actually. But that's it, guys. That's the video. I hope you enjoyed the content, and be on high alert, guys. If this breaks, there's quite a bit to drop from, and we have a very very nice bear flag right now, and this looks like we are hanging off a cliff here. Very dangerous, precarious situation. The If this trend line breaches, it'll compromise the integrity of the whole structure, of the whole market cap. Look at this. It'll totally compromise the integrity of that whole structure. Guys, there's no telling, what if there's a financial crisis happens in 6 months' time after we drop down here, and a financial crisis happens, and maybe a financial crisis, crashes things right on down. You just don't know. Honestly, I've seen some crazy stuff in my 13 years, and unexpected stuff. So expect the unexpected is a good term. Anyway, guys, I'll leave you with that. I hope you enjoyed the content, and please like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that little bell. And if you have any comments or coins you'd like to review, please put them in the comment section below. And don't forget, if you like that 3-day free trial, sign up on our website. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.